Here are 5 interesting things you should know about the state of Mizoram. Number 1. The population of Mizoram is roughly 12.5 lakhs. Number 2. The state of Mizoram is predominantly Christian. How, you may ask? That is because one cup overflows into the next, right from missionaries who came way back in 1894. Point number 3. The state of Mizoram is one of the most educated and peaceful states in India. It turns out they have a concept called a shop without a shopkeeper. Ever heard of it? Well, because it's based on mutual trust. Also, Mizoram has a very popular dance called the bamboo dance, also called chero, for which they broke a Guinness World Record way back in 2010. Number 4. There's a lot of interesting things about Mizoram. May I add one more? That's right. The Bible is now available in the Mizo language on the Hum Audio Bible app, which is available both on App Store and Play Store. And here is point number 5. Here's how to say Jesus loves you in the Mizo language. Lal I Swan of Mangay Te. Jesus loves you and Jesus loves Mizoram.